God versus time. Watching Joe Rogan in three mountains in a lava lamp with no bubble. With minutes and seconds and hours and eventually days gone by. And no word from a social worker counselor, but plenty of echoes and lots of confusion and misdirection during a coronavirus pandemic now. While Allah and Krishna and all of the Satan devils worshipped in Seattle on Capitol Hill have tea with one another and eat at buffets for free. Those who can't afford their bourgeois prestige and rich and famous activities drink bulletproof coffee without any MCT oil now. And God watches time not in an hourglass anymore, but in an object, on an object made in China with energy provided by an earth on fire, says a Nobel laureate, Greta Thunberg. Now, an illegal color red from a previous presidential administration and lots of light from a sun in an outer space with scientists' calculations of universes and galaxies and satellites. And physics and mathematics about a big bang. God, in this context and description and example, has no remaining goals or purpose or life left to live, left to the right of God's self and ego, mind and behavior, with so much trouble inside of God's head to not accept anarchy and socialism and communism and a system with processes and procedures. Doctors say ends racism and makes humans suffer less with mental health available now. Free money. Even for those cancer survivors who graduated college with ambitions to be a doctor, a PhD candidate, now, God versus time has less to do with minutes and seconds as awareness for all of those struggling souls and spirits treated by those prescriptions and medications and therapists with their colors for mood. Solving a mind body problem with a blue lamp to make those biopsychological hormones called testosterone better on tests and less for consciousness to need from energy rarely found on Capitol Hill in Seattle, Washington, except when there's some cannabis, marijuana drinks, and sugary snacks to sedate and depress for a psychiatrist to give some Zoloft and Prozac and lithium for silence and quiet. Now. And when God receives these commandments, God, awareness, has attention, focus and concentration for a bubble in another bubble in a lava lamp going down, similar to how a brain in synapses connect to neurons in a heartbeat, in a heartbeat, in a heartbeat. Now.